how to set up account alerts on Barclaycard app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to set up account alert on Barclaycard app. You have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go and download or install the application and register yourself for Barclay. If you're using a web browser, you can type in barclaycard.co.uk and then press the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or an account management section of the app. This may be accessed through a menu icon or by tapping your profile account name, and then you could go and look for an option related to alert or notification. This might be labeled as alert preferences, notification settings, or something similar. Then select the type of alert you want to receive. So Barclaycard typically offers various alert options such as payment due, reminders, transaction alert, balance update, etc. And depending on the app's feature, you may have to be able to customize your alert further. For example, you could set specific transaction amount threshold for transaction alert as well. After that, you can go ahead and save the settings and review and confirm the transaction. Then you could also use the test alert, or you could test whether the alert has been set or not. So that's how you can set up alert on Barclaycard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.